Picture this. Your outdoor space, once dull and uninspiring, is now a stunning patio that feels like a true escape, all created with a few simple DIY ideas. You don't have to spend a small fortune on expensive furniture or decor. I'm about to show you how you can transform your patio using upcycled finds from your local thrift store and Dollar Tree. That's right, cheap, easy, and incredibly beautiful. These ideas are all about giving you the tools to create the perfect, cozy, stylish patio without breaking the bank. Are you ready to turn your patio into your personal paradise? If so, hit that subscribe button right now, and don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss a single budget-friendly DIY idea. And tell me in the comments which project you're most excited to try first. Let's make this patio transformation happen together. Idea 1. Hanging pallet garden. Imagine this. An old, weathered pallet collecting dust in your garage, now transformed into a lush vertical garden. That's exactly what a hanging pallet garden can do for your patio. You don't need a green thumb to make it work. All you need is an old wooden pallet, some screws, and a bit of creativity. Secure the pallet to a wall or fence, and voila! You've got yourself a vertical garden that's perfect for hanging small planters or even planting directly into the pallet slats. Use it for flowers, herbs, or cascading vines to create a green oasis. It's budget-friendly, space-efficient, and will instantly turn your patio into a lush retreat. Idea 2. Repurpose wooden box herb planters. Take a moment to think about this. A simple wooden box, something you might lying around or find at your local thrift store, transformed into a practical, gorgeous herb garden. All you need to do is sand it down, paint it, and fill it with fresh soil. These wooden boxes are versatile enough to sit on your table or be stacked to create a cascading garden effect. Place a few basil, mint, and thyme plants, and you've got your very own herb garden. That'll make your patio feel like a little piece of paradise. Plus, you get fresh herbs on demand. It's simple, it's functional, and it's one of the best ways to add green without spending much. 1DA 3 teacup planters. Let's talk about charm. Do you have a set of mismatched teacups? Well, they can do wonders for your patio decor. Instead of letting them gather dust, give them a new life by turning them into adorable planters. The process is simple. Just drill a small hole in the bottom for drainage, add some soil, and then plant small flowers or succulents. These tiny planters are perfect for brightening up any corner of your patio, or even hanging them from a string for a whimsical touch. They're easy to make, cost next to nothing, and add such a sweet, personal touch to your outdoor space. Idea 4. Thrifted chair reupholstery. Imagine giving new life to an old, worn-out chair you found at the thrift store. It might look tired now, but with just a little creativity, it could become your favorite seat on the patio. All you need is a sturdy vintage chair, some outdoor fabric, and a bit of elbow grease. Remove the old upholstery, sand down the frame, and recover the cushions with fabric that suits your outdoor style, whether it's bold, floral, or neutral. The best part? You get a custom piece of furniture that's unique to your space, and you save yourself a ton of money compared to buying new outdoor furniture. It's easy, it's cost-effective, and it'll make your patio seating look as good as new. Idea 5. Log slice side table. Picture a rustic, natural log slice as your side table. Simple, yet stunning. Find a log slice or use a fallen tree branch. And with just a little sanding, you've got the base for a gorgeous side table. Add some sturdy legs, or even repurpose old furniture legs, and now you've got a one-of-a-kind table. It's the perfect spot for placing your drink, a candle, or a plant. The beauty of this project lies in its simplicity, and the natural look will complement any patio style. Whether you're going for rustic, boho, or even modern chic, this is truly a DIY project that makes a big impact without costing you a lot. Idea 6. Vintage suitcase coffee table. Here's something that's both fun and functional. Using an old vintage suitcase as a coffee table. It's an easy way to add character and charm to your patio without breaking the bank. All you need is an old suitcase you might find at a thrift store or even in your attic. Clean it up, add some small, sturdy legs elevated, and you've got yourself a vintage-inspired coffee table. You can even add a few decorative items on top to give it that finished look. This DIY project is a win-win, practical, and full of personality. Idea 7. Hanging light bulb planters. Do you have old light bulbs lying around? Let's turn them into something magical. By carefully removing the inner workings of the light bulb, you can transform them into tiny hanging planters. Fill the bulbs with moss and soil, then hang them from strings or wires. It's a quirky, eco-friendly idea that adds a touch of whimsy to your patio. Use them to hold small flowers or succulents for a unique and charming look. It's a simple way to add greenery, and they make such a fun talking point for guests. Idea 8 upcycled lanterns with LED candles. Let's face it, beautiful lighting doesn't always have to be expensive. A few upcycled lanterns from a thrift store can bring a touch of elegance and coziness to your patio. Add some LED candles inside, and you've got instant ambience for your evening gatherings. You can even get creative and add faux greenery or fairy lights around the lantern to make them pop even more. It's a simple way to add that warm glow to your space without spending much. Idea 9 Mason jar globe lights. If you're looking for a quick and easy lighting solution, mason jars are your friend. Fill them with battery-operated fairy lights and hang them from trees or along a wire above your patio. The soft, ambient glow will create a magical atmosphere, perfect for late-night relaxation or an intimate dinner. It's a super affordable and easy DIY project that'll make your patio feel dreamy and inviting. Idea 10 Upcycled window frame wall art. An old window frame is a gold mine waiting to be transformed. Instead of letting it sit around gathering dust, give it new life as a piece of wall art for your patio. Simply remove the glass and paint the frame to match your patio decor. You can add a wire or fabric behind it to create a surface for climbing plants, or decorate with fairy lights for an extra touch of magic. It's a budget-friendly way to add personality to your outdoor walls, and it's completely customizable to fit your space. Idea 11 Painted rock garden borders. Who knew rocks could be so fun? By simply painting large, smooth stones, you can create a colorful border for your garden or patio area. Use bright colors, geometric patterns, or even inspirational quotes to bring a pop of personality to your outdoor space. It's an easy DIY project that you can do in a weekend, and it makes such a statement on your patio. Idea 12 Recycled bottle wind chimes. Here's an incredibly simple yet beautiful idea to add some sound and charm to your patio. Recycled bottle wind chimes. You'd be amazed at how old glass bottles can be transformed into gorgeous, musical accents for your outdoor space. All you need are a few glass bottles, wine, soda, or even decorative bottles you might already have, and some string or twine. The idea is simple. Tie the bottles to a sturdy branch or an old hanger, leaving enough space between them so that they can gently tap each other when the wind blows. Not only do you get beautiful visuals, but the soft, tinkling sounds will turn your patio into a peaceful retreat. It's a fun, eco-friendly project, and you can even add decorative elements like beads or shells to enhance the look. Idea 13 DIY outdoor cushion covers from thrift store fabric. Want to give your outdoor seating a facelift without spending a fortune? Head to your local thrift store and pick up some old fabric, maybe a vintage tablecloth or a few patterned curtains, and turn them into stylish cushion covers. The beauty of this project is in its versatility. You can mix and match different patterns, textures, and colors to create a look that is uniquely yours. Whether you choose bold, floral prints for a tropical vibe, or go with neutral tones for a more subdued look, the fabric possibilities are endless. If you're feeling extra creative, try adding some personal flair with fabric paint. Create your own custom designs, patterns, or even quotes on the cushion covers. It's a simple, cost-effective way to refresh your patio furniture and make your outdoor space more comfortable and stylish. Idea 14 Upcycled birdcage candle holder. Have you ever come across a beautiful, vintage birdcage at a thrift store? Instead of leaving it as just a decorative piece, why not turn it into an elegant candle holder for your patio? Simply place a few candles inside the birdcage, either pillar candles or small tea lights, and close the cage. You could even add a little faux greenery around the candles to make it even more visually appealing. The result? A beautiful, rustic, and vintage-inspired candle holder that casts a soft, romantic glow in the evening. This simple upcycled project gives your patio a classic, whimsical touch that is perfect for creating ambience for dinner parties or a relaxing night outside. It's functional, charming, and adds a subtle elegance to your space. Idea 15 DIY outdoor garland from old jeans. Here's a fun idea. Recycle those old jeans you no longer wear and turn them into a cute outdoor garland. Simply cut them into strips, braid them together, and then hang them along your patio fence or from your patio umbrella. You can also tie little fabric knots along the garland for extra flair. It's a fun, easy DIY that adds some texture and color to your patio. Plus, it gives your old denim a whole new purpose. Thank you so much for watching. If you're feeling inspired and ready to tackle your patio transformation, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future DIY ideas. Leave a comment below telling me which project you're most excited to try. And if you've already tried any of these, I'd love to hear how it turned out. Don't forget to share this video with your friends who could use some patio inspiration too. Let's turn those dull patios into dream spaces together. Until next time, happy crafting and enjoy your beautiful, budget-friendly patio makeover.